was actually going to Madiwala, but this kind of a road and it's full water. This is the Bangalore road, as you can see. This is Koramangala and the water is covering half of the car. संभाल के Guys, I should say that the Bangalore drainage system is not proper. Just check out that car, it is full. Half the car is inside the water. This is the condition of Bangalore right now. Everybody is struggling to go. ये गाड़ी तो पूरी पानी के अंदर है. Oh shit! मैं भी देखा नहीं और मैं गिरने वाला था. ये कंडीशन है बैंगलोर की. ये बैंगलोर का ड्रेनेज कंडीशन है अभी का, जैसा आप देख सकते हो. ये गाड़ी फंसने वाली है. जा तो रहा है बड़े स्वैग में. लेट्स सी. कार स्ट्रगलिंग टू कम आउट गाइस. पूरी कार पानी के अंदर फंस चुकी है. इतना तो गंदा कंडीशन चल रहा है बैंगलोर का. लोग धक्का मारे गाड़ी निकाल रहे हैं. Oh shit, I won't be able to show you the scene properly, but then too, this is the car which is actually drenched in water fully. And if this is the condition of Koramangala, then you can imagine what the condition of whole Bangalore is right now. Everybody is struggling here just to come out, just to go home, but nobody is actually making it up. ऐसा लग रहा है यार बाढ़ आ गई हो बैंगलोर में. So guys, I know it's dark right now and check this out. The water is full on the roads. The drainage system in Bangalore is seriously very poor because it's a high society area, NGV, and this car is just floating around in the water. And check this out. Thunderbird. Whole exhaust of Thunderbird is inside water. It's like people are riding in reverse. Shit, पानी ऊपर तक आ गया है. यार ये तो पेड़ पौधे सब टूटे उठे हैं. फिर भी रोड के इस साइड कंडीशन ठीक है, उस साइड कंडीशन बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा डिवाइडर कहाँ पे और एक्चुअली पानी कहाँ पे है. यहाँ पे तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो अभी ठीक लग रहा है. सो गाइस, राइट नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक टू होम and we are trying to go to Madiwala, but that wasn't possible because of the road condition in Koramangala. So guys, this was the condition of the Bangalore city after a rain. And tomorrow I'll be showing you something more interesting. What's the condition of the road actually after a first rain, because after the rain the road is actually broken into pieces. I struggled taking out my bike from a place where there was a huge water, crowded. Oh bhai, dheere. So see you guys. Stay tuned for my next videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Guys, please इतना share करो इस वीडियो को कि BBMP तक पहुँचे.